Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Bicolana Vlogs. By the way, I'm here, Shaina. Andito ako guys para ibigay sa inyo yung tips kung saan dito sa dito sa may malapit sa amin na mall, dito sa Bicol, meron tayong payday sale guys. Ayan guys, yung mga sari-sari store dyan na nag-aabang ng promos na gusto nyong mag-avail para mas madami kayong may benta. Ito na yung hinihintay nyo guys na pagkakataon para maka-avail ng promo namin or ng promo ng mall. Ayan, di bali yung promo nyan is galing mismo dito sa LCC Payday Weekend Sale guys. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo is July 31 to August 1 ang sale guys. Kaya kung may pagkakataon kayong makapag-ipunan na pang grocery para sa 30 sa hanggang 1, ipunin nyo na guys yung pang nyo grocery kasi marami siyang exciting na promos na darating. For example, kung halimbawa gusto nyong bumili ng Marvy Super Loaf na bread, meron siyang kasama na Marvy Cheese Bites na 200 grams. Ayan guys, ito yung kasama niya guys sa halagang 65 pesos, 65.50, makakasave ka na ng 34 pesos. Ayan guys. And then dito naman kung sa Milo naman ang hanap nyo guys, we have the buy 14 take 4 Milo Active Choco Powder Milk Drink 24 grams. Ayan guys, pwede natin siyang ibenta 72, mabibili mo lang siya ng 72.50, nakasave ka na ng 29 pesos kasi may libre siyang apat guys na Milo. And then we have kung halimbawa gusto nyo is Birch Tree, meron tayong Birch Tree 45 with 700 grams free Sky Flakes na 25 grams times 10 pieces. Ayan guys, pwede natin ibenta sa bahay natin. At the same time, pwede natin pang consumption yung Birchie. Ayan guys. And then kung hanap nyo is malaking Bear Brand, we have the Bear Brand powder drink 320 gram with pre-Nescafe Classic refill 25 grams guys. Ayan, nakasave ka na dito ng almost 1950 pesos. Ayan guys. And then for the sugar, we have the Great Buys wash sugar dito sa LCC na nagkakahalaga ng 42 pesos lang guys. Nakasave kayo ng 7 pesos. Ayan, kung ititinda nyo guys, pwede nyong hatiin na lang, or kung halimbawa naman gusto nyong panggamit araw-araw, try to check this promo ni LCC supermarket guys. Ayan. And then for the Nescafe, we have the creamy white twin pack with 52 grams, 53 pesos, 53.75 pesos only, with save 10 pesos. Di bali pag bumili ka ng 5, meron siyang kasamang isang libre guys na libreng, ayan guys, meron siyang libreng Nescafe na 1 sachet twin pack. Ayan. And then we have the CDO Idol cheese dog with regular 1 kilo free CDO barn chicken nuggets start shaped 200 grams guys. Ayan, mayroon pa siyang barn nuggets na kasama. Mabibili mo lang siya sa halagang 171.7 171, and then you save 77.25 pesos. Ayan guys. And then yung mahilig naman sa cream dory, we have available promo 119 pesos na lang siya, save kayo ng 11. Hi guys, rice ba ang hanap nyo? We have the Peacock Premium Rice 5 kilos sa halagang 250, nakasave ka na ng 15 pesos. Ayan guys, napakasarap nitong Premium Peacock Rice 5 kilos na yan. Ayan, ang laki na din ng 15 pesos. And then for the French fries, yung mahilig sa fries dyan, meron tayong Avico shoestring 1 kilo for 900 99 pesos only. Ayan, save kayo ng 16 pesos. And then, kung halimbawa chicken naman ang hanap nyo is we have the chicken leg quarter. Ayan, naka-slice na siya guys. Sa halagang 115 per kilo, save kayo ng 34 pesos. Ayan guys. And then, we have the whole Bounty Fresh chicken with price of 135 guys. Per kilo, and then save kayo ng 40 pesos per kilo. Ayan guys. And then we have the cooks is 130 per kilo, save of 45 pesos per kilo ng lutong chicken guys. Ayan, cooks whole chicken sold uncooked. Ayan, bibili niyo siya guys, hindi pa luto. Ayan, pero ganito yung magiging itsura niya kapag naluto. Ayan guys, kung sa baga is ready to cook na. Ayan. And then we have the ayan, we have naman dito guys, we have the Selecta. Kung mahilig kayo sa ice cream, we have the Selecta cookies and cream 1.4 liters with free Selecta, so free with 450 ml guys. Free lang siya guys. Di bali mabibili mo yung cookies and cream na 1.4 liters sa halagang 250 and then save for 99 pesos guys. Ayan. And then we have the fresh eggs, the Great Buy eggs, fresh eggs with 12 pieces with free Great Buys fresh eggs with 6 times 6 or 6 pieces ang kasama guys. Ayan, may kasama siyang eggs na 6 kapag bumili kayo ng 12 pieces with price of 93 pesos, save kayo ng 49.50 pesos guys. Ayan, nakasapag-save kayo ng 49.50. And then for the Silver Swan, we have, ayan, yung mga pangsahog naman guys. We have the Silver Swan soy sauce 1 liter with free Silver Swan sukang puti 385 ml guys. Ayan, napaka ganda. Sulit na sulit guys kasi mabibili mo lang siya ng 53.50 pesos. Save kayo ng 17.50 pesos. Ayan. And then for the Nestle cream, we have the buy 2 Nestle cream 250 ml. Kung balak nyo naman gumawa ng grahams, gumawa ng salad, or gumawa ng mga dessert, eto, try Nestle cream buy 2 for just 88 pesos guys. Save for 30 pesos kayo. Ayan. Ang laki na din ng 30 pesos na madi-discount nyo guys. And then we have the Sky Flakes. Ayan. We have the Sky Flakes cracker 250 gram, laman niya 10. May libre siyang or may free siyang Century Tuna Flex and Oil with 155 grams. Save up to 30 pesos guys. Di bali 50 pesos yung Sky Flakes, may libre pa siyang Century Tuna Flex and Oil. Ayan guys, napakaganda ng promo natin ngayon dito sa LCC guys. And then when it comes to spaghetti, hi guys, di bali dito tayo sa Del Monte. Di bali Del Monte quality sweet style spaghetti sauce guys. Ayan, kapag bumili kayo ng 1 kilos sauce, meron siyang kasamang free Del Monte spaghetti 400 grams na spaghetti. Ayan guys. Ayan, di bali 88 pesos lang siya guys, 88.50. And then save kayo ng 55.75 pesos guys. Ayan. And then we have the Eden cheese, filled cheese 165 grams with free Del Monte Filipino style tomato sauce 90 grams. Ayan guys, mabibili nyo lang siya ng 49.50. Save kayo ng 12.10 pesos. Ayan guys, cents. Ayan. And then we have the Angel cream densada. Ayan guys, di bali sweet thick creamer. Ayan, By Angel 2 Condensada 410 ml just for 81 pesos, save for 25 pesos guys. And then we have the CDO Carne Norte Classic with free 2 pieces of chicken, Lucky Me chicken. Ayan guys. Di bali dito sa CDO natin is bibili kayo ng dalawa for just 52.50. Save kayo ng 15.50 kasi dalawa din yung Lucky Me chicken na free na noodles na kasama. And then we have the Century Tuna Flakes in Oil. Just buy 2 Century Tuna Flakes in Oil. And then may free siya na 3 Birch Tree 45 ml 33 gram. Just buy it for 60 pesos, save 22.50 pesos guys. Ayan, napakalaki ng madi-discount natin guys. Kaya kung magpuput up kayo ng business, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? This is your chance to buy more products with LCC Supermarket guys. Ayan. And then we have the Maling buy 2 Maling. May kasama na siya guys na Food Keeper. Nakasave kayo ng 30 pesos kasi mabibili mo lang yung dalawang maling sa 210 pesos guys. Ayan, save 30 na kayo kapag bumili kayo ng dalawang maling. And then for non-foods, we have the Sunsilk. Ayan, Sunsilk naman. Yung mga gustong bumili ng shampoo, we have buy 2 Sunsilk Strong and Long Green shampoo 180 ml just for 145.50, save 48.50 pesos guys. Ayan, ang laki na ng discount natin guys. And then for the diapers, we have the EQ Pants Jumbo Pack large 40 pieces. Ayan, 40 pieces just for 208 guys. Ayan, save up to 9.50 guys. Kaya kung halimbawa lang naman guys ay nagtitindahan kayo, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Grab the opportunity to buy these products from LCC Supermarket. Ayan. And then we have the Bioderm, just buy 5 and take 1 free. Bioderm Germicidal soap coolness 60 grams, buy just for 80 pesos, save up to 16 pesos guys. Ayan, napaka mura na ito guys. Mabebenta nyo na siya sa halagang murang-mura lang. And then we have the buy one take one guys. Buy one take one with Palmolive Natural Intense Moisture Shampoo 180 ml just for 99 pesos, and then save for 99 pesos guys. Nakalibre na kayo guys kasi yung isa is free na lang siya once you buy this product guys. And then we have the Joy Complete Clean. Ayan, Joy Dishwashing Liquid Calamansi 600 ml guys sa halagang 87.50 pesos, and then save up to 38.15 pesos guys. Ayan, ang laki na ng na-discount ninyo. And then we have the Tide. Ayan, the Tide Powder, Tide Garden Bloom Powder 1,510 grams with free Downy Fabric Conditioner Sunrise Fresh Refill 690 ml. Ayan guys, from ayan, mabibili mo siya ng 199 pesos, and then save up to 122 pesos guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Kung bibili kayo or nagagastusan kayo ng napakalaki sa fabric conditioner and then sa powder, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mabibili mo lang siya ng 199 bundle product na siya guys. May powder ka na, may fabric conditioner ka pa. Ayan. And then we have the lemon guys. Ito na tayo, dito na tayo sa page 2. We have the buy one take one lemon USA number 165. Ayan, mabibili mo siya ng 25 per per pack ata to guys. Ayan, basta 25 pesos. And then, yung isa is libre na lang guys. Ayan. Ayan, di ba? Libre na lang yung isang piraso niyan, guys. And then, buy 2, take 1. Halimbawa, bumili kayo ng Fuji Apple sa halagang 40 pesos per pack ata to guys, ang PK per pack. Di ba, kapag bumili kayo ng per pack na is may kasama siyang isang Fuji Apple. Ayan. For the Lakatan, we have the Lakatan dito sa LCC Supermarket, 65 pesos per kilo guys. Makakasave kayo ng 15 pesos per kilo. Ayan. And then we have naman na eggplant. Eggplant is just, you can buy for just 29 pesos per kilo. Save up to 21 pesos guys. Ayan, napakalaki ng discount nyo guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? For the lettuce, head iceberg, ayan. Ang price niya is 199 per kilo. Ayan guys. Save up to 61 pesos guys. And then we have the LCC Reward Plus Card Exclusives. Ayan, kapag meron tayong LCC Exclusive Plus Card galing mismo sa LCC, we have encountered or may makukuha tayong mga additional points na pwede nating i-grocery convert pwede mo siyang i-grocery. Ayan, pag naipon yung points ninyo. LCC card. We have the Breeze, ayan, detergent. Kapag bumili tayo ng powder, we get 20 points in our cards. Ayan. And then, when we buy Head and Shoulder Cool Menthol Shampoo, 170 ml, for just 108, we get 15 points. And then, for the Tender Juicy hot dog, 1 kilo, 188 pesos, you can get 10 points from the LCC card. Ayan guys, and then kung bibili tayo ng rice, we have the Tiger premium rice 10 kilos for just 440. We get 10 points from our LCC card. And then for the Sonicare upsize bathroom tissue 400S 2 ply 9 pieces per pack, makakabili tayo nito just 107 guys. Makaka-earn tayo ng 10 points from our LCC card. And then dito naman sa Milo natin guys, Milo chocolate powder drink milk 1.2 kilo, di bali 289 pesos lang siya guys. We got 10 points from LCC card. Ayan, makakuha tayo. And then, get 5 points for Monday Special Moon Mamon with strawberry fillings for 48 grams times 4 pieces sa loob, just for 65.75 pesos only. And then, for the Magic Syrup, Magic Syrup, 120 grams with price of 50.75 pesos, get a 5 points in our card. Ayan guys. And then we have the bundle pack. The bundle pack is over here. Di bali, we have the Vitamilk, buy 3 get 1 or buy 3 take 1 Vitamilk soy double choco 110 ml just for 33 pesos guys. Apat na piraso yan kasi yung tatlo is libre lang, yung tatlo is yung babayaran mo, and then yung isa is libre lang. And then we have the Dutch Mill strawberry yogurt drink 180 ml, free Dutch Mill strawberry yogurt drink 90 ml. Ayan guys, di bali may libre siyang dalawa kapag bumili kayo ng Dutch Mill na 180 ml. Ayan, 58.50, save up to 10 pesos, 20 pesos guys. Ayan. And then for the Tang, ayan, we have the Tang buy 4 take 1 Tang pineapple flavored 250 the grams litro pack, just for 72.50 pesos, save up to 17.50 guys. Ayan. And then yung mahilig sa alak, we have the soju. Ayan, soju Genru Ano ba yung basa nito, guys? Ayan. Chamisu. Ayan, di bali, grapefruit soju. Ayan, basta ito na lang naiintindihan ko. Grapefruit soju, 360 ml. Mabibili mo lang siya ng 108, save up to 12 pesos, guys. Ayan. And then, we have the Emperador Double Light, 1 liter, just for 312, guys. Save up to 55 pesos, guys. Ayan. And then, for the Del Monte Pineapple Juice, ACE, buy 5, take 1, Del Monte 100% Pineapple Juice, ACE, Yuns, 202. Ayan. Mabibili mo lang siya ng 145, save up to 29 pesos, guys. Ayan, ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? And then, for the Simply Canola, ayan, we have the Buy 2 Simply Canola Oil, 1 liter, 320 pesos only, guys. Save up to 20 pesos. And then, we have the Knorr Liquid Seasoning Original, plus Knorr Cube Pantry, 60 grams. Ayan, mabibili mo lang siya, guys, ng 70 pesos. Save up to 13 pesos, guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? And then, we have the Latest Choice mayonnaise, guys. Latest Choice mayonnaise, guys. With Free Century Tuna Flakes in Oil, 155 grams. Just buy it for 170.25. Save up to 30 pesos, guys. Ayan. And then, yung mga naghahanap naman ng murang gatas para sa mga kids, we have the Bona Kid Free School 3 Plus 1.6 grams, free Bona Kid Free School 350 grams for just 795.80, save up to 200.35 pesos, guys. Ayan. And then we have the Lactum 3 Plus powdered milk, 1.6 grams with free Lactum 3 Plus powdered milk, 160 grams. Just buy it for 875, save up to 200, guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? This is it, pansit. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na kayo dito sa LCC. And then for the personal use or mga kailangan natin, basic necessity for our daily consumption, we have the Colgate Natural Bamboo Charcoal Toothbrush 1S Colgate Fresh plus Colgate Fresh Confidence Bamboo Charcoal Toothpaste 90 ml. Just buy it for 119 pesos, save up to 103 pesos, guys. Ayan, ano pang hinihintay nyo? We have the Lampin diapers, baby diapers jumbo packs, medium, 60 pieces, guys. Mabibili mo lang siya ng 239.50 pesos and then save up to 109.50. Ayan, guys, we have the Pampers Dry Pants Super Jumbo 2XL with 42 pieces pants. Ayan, guys, sa halagang 295, save up to 295, guys. We have the Parlin Baby Wipes Unscented ATS pre 2 Parlin Baby Wipes Unscented 30S, guys. Ayan, mabibili lang natin siya ng 195 pesos, 195.50 pesos, and then save up to 85.50 pesos, guys. Ayan, we have the Scotch Brite metal scoring ball loops with 31.75 pesos price with save up to 10.75 pesos, guys. Ay nakapag-save na kayo, guys, ng 10.75. And then we have the Smart Dishwashing Paste Calamansi 400 grams sa halagang 29.50. Mabibili lang natin siya, save up to 9.75 pesos, guys. And then we have the Clean Absorbent cotton with free na isang piraso na 15 grams. We can buy it for 21.50, save up to 11 pesos, guys. 11.05 pesos, guys. And then we have the Energizer. Energizer battery max AAA E92 BV4. Ayan, guys. Mabibili na natin siya ng 146.25, save up to 48.75, guys. Ayan, ang laki na ng na-discount natin, guys, dito sa mga promo ni LCC. And then we have the Picnic Mat Mini, 7 times 1.2 times 1.8 medium size. Ayan, guys. We have the Picnic Mat. Mabibili lang natin siya ng 219, guys. Save up to 26 pesos, guys. And then for the lalagyan naman, we have the Mega Box knockdown drawer 5 layers block sa halagang 750 pesos lang. Save up to 100 pesos, guys. Ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? Check LCC on Facebook, Instagram, and then YouTube, LCC Supermarket for more information regarding to their promo. Ayan, guys. Available siya up to start of July 30 to August 1, guys. Ayan. For the participating stores, we have the LCC Supermarket, Liberty City Center, Ayala, Main Legazpi, Daraga, Ligao, Tao Center, LCC Mall, Pulangi, Tabaco, Magsaysay Street, Sorsogon City, Masbate, Iriga, Felix Plaza, Naga City, guys. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? Punta na kayo sa mga participating stores ni LCC dito sa Bicol, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much. Hope nagustuhan nyo yung trivia ko. Kung sakaling gusto nyo mag-avail ng mga product ni LCC, just don't forget to drop by on their stores, guys. Thank you so much. Hope don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for more notification about my latest video. Thank you.